Yeah, good morning to all. As discussed earlier, in the chemical factory, there are 3 stages are being considered here. When we come to the stage 1, 500 liters of chemical was purchased, 2,500 reals. Therefore, the input of raw material is 500 quantity of liters of chemical, and the amount whatever we purchased is 2,500. And the question says about the incidental expenses in this stage are direct labor 2,000 reals, maybe dollars. We have to say that is direct labor. We have to put in direct labors or manufacturing wages is marker. Okay, manufacturing wages or direct labor. If at all you want me to write, I can write oblique. Yeah, direct labor is marker. Direct, another name. Yeah, and direct labor we have given, and they have given the question says about direct expenses or $500. Manufacturing overhead, you say is marker. We can say about direct overhead expenses. This is the input. Now let us see the question what it says about. It says it is estimated that 15%. It is estimated that 15% of chemical will be evaporated during the process. Evaporated, Manavish. Okay, this has been evaporated. That is called weight loss. Weight loss means vazan loss. Okay, we have to take how much percentage they are saying? 15% of the total input. 15% of the total input is been evaporated during the process. Let us see how to do 15% means quantity is nothing but this is 500 into 15%. It would be resulting you the how many liters are been evaporated? 75 liters are been evaporated. Is there any value for it? Evaporated, can you sell it outside? We cannot sell outside. Therefore, that will become 0. There is no value when it is been evaporated. No value for it. Okay. Next, the question speaks about how much is to sell. Okay, how much quantum is to sell, how much quantum is to transfer to the next process. This is very, very important. In the bottom, they have very clearly specified here. If the owner wants to sell 25% of the output of the first process, how much he wants to sell? Sell is 25%. Let's see here how to write 25%. That is considered as transfer to warehouse. Transfer to warehouse means he wants to sell to the godown, to the souk market. He wants to sell how much? 25% of the output. 25% of the output he wants to sell. Then leftover how much? Leftover is nothing but the balance is 75% of the output would be transferred to the next process. Is it clear? Okay, let us see here. The total value is 500 and therefore we have to take here the total as 500 itself. Next, how much value is to be transferred to the next process? It is very clearly specified. The owner wants to sell 25% of the output of first process to earn a margin. Margin we will discuss later. First, let us see about how much he wants to sell. 25% he wants to sell. Therefore, we have to specify transfer to warehouse is 25% and transfer to next process is 75%. Let's see here of which what is the balance here? We have input is 500 and we have normal loss is 75. These two are to be considered as the difference between the input and weight loss. Now, weight loss, the balance, this is the output into 75%, we have to consider as the quantum of output is been transferred to next process. And the same thing, if at all you take into consideration here, how much is to be transferred here? It is to be transferred, 75% is transferred, the balance is only 25% is to be taken into consideration. Is it clear or not? If at all you want, I'll come again here to say this is the total input value minus quantum of normal loss, that is considered as weight loss first of all here. Therefore, the balance is to be taken, the total must be the 500 is to be taken into consideration as 500. Now, how to get the value of output or how to get the value of output? There is a formula here per unit, rate per good unit. Rate per good unit, the formula is nothing but total input cost minus normal loss value, total you have to take into consideration like this. Okay, let us see here what is the total amount of expenditure you spent upon it? 5,000 reals, $5,000. How much money you have spent here is $5,000 minus. Do you have any evaporated normal loss? There is no evaporated normal loss. Yes or no? It is evaporated. Can you sell outside Baladiya? There you cannot sell. Therefore, normal loss value is 0. And then what is the total input quantity? Input quantity is 500 liters minus how much evaporated? Evaporated liters are 75 liters are been evaporated. Therefore, if at all you want to know what is the rate per good unit, if at all you want to know, the procedure is to be calculated like this. Let us see here how to calculate the same value you have to take into consideration. That is nothing but total value of cost. Okay, the total value of cost input divided by the quantum. Quantum is how much? 500 is input minus input total input quantity minus normal loss quantity, that is nothing but 75. You will be getting the value as, let's see what is the value. The value is 12 real. That means 12 is a round off value, but actual value is what? Let us see the actual value if at all you want to have 11.76. This is the actual value. Okay, 765. Let us see. Therefore, if at all you want to know, after getting this value, we have to take into consideration the value as transferred to process 2, as well the value, cost value, it is been transferred to the very host. If at all you want to multiply it, both of the things into this one, you will get total value. The quantum multiplied with rate per good unit, you will get the total value. The total must be comes to 5,000. This is about process 1. But I am not selling how much to sell. I would like to sell how much to sell at the bottom. Or else if at all you want to write now, I would like to explain here itself how much to sell this process of output per liter, how much they want to sell. Let us see here, we know that cost value per liter, or else you can take the total value also, whatever it may be, you can take into consideration. I would like to draft here the magic box of calculations. What is the calculations here? Cost. Next is what? Profit. And then you must know about sales. Okay. Sales value. I'll take here. Here. Okay. Cost, profit, and sales we have to take. Wherein which, what is the question speaks about? Margin. Very clearly what it question speaks about. Margin, how much is 40%? He wants to earn a margin. Let me write down here the margin, specified the margin. Expected margin. Expected margin is equals to 40%. How much margin is expected? 40% is expected. And then ratio, let us go with the ratio. Ratio is nothing but, whenever margin says, what does it mean by margin? Margin is nothing but profit as a percentage on sales. Profit as a percentage on sales. It is not coming here. Let me merge the cells. This is the what is the meaning of margin is nothing but profit as a percentage on sales. How much profit ibuga? Profit they want is 40%. Percent means the bottom is nothing but sales you have to take into consideration as 100. Okay, when the profit, you expected profit is 100 and the sales are, profit is 40 and sales are 100, how much is your cost? 60 is your cost. I do not want to see here decimals. I want to reduce the decimal points here to make you clear. This is the ratio. And then I know the value. Okay, what is the value you know? You can take per unit or you can take total value. What shall we do? We take total or per unit. Let us take per unit. Already we have calculated. Per unit cost, you know how much? This is the 11.76. This is the cost value. Okay, then we do not know what is the profit. We do not know even how much is the sales value. It is a rounded off figure. If at all you want to see, you can see this is the total value. Therefore, this is the magic box. Let me put it like a box, a little designing for your make you understand well and look good. Okay, this is our box. How to calculate the value per liter? This is nothing but Taksim divided by 60 and multiply by 40. This is the value of your profit per liter. How much profit you will be getting? This how you will get? Divided by 60 into 100. Therefore, it is suggested, what is your answer here? It is been suggested that, what is the suggestion here? Therefore, the owner, OWNER, the owner must sell his chemical, the chemical from process 1 at how much value? $19.608. How many dollars? $19.608 per liter. This is very important. You have to say the weight, how much wazan, very, very important. Per liter, how much he has to sell, that is to be very clearly specified. Therefore, here ends the answer for the question. Okay, what is the answer? They are asking, owner very clearly asking us how much I have to sell. Therefore, how much he has to sell per liter? Therefore, the owner must sell the chemical from process 1 at the rate of how much value? $19.608. This is your answer. 19.608. This is the process 1 is to be considered. Hope you have got the input of this process 1. If it is clear, I'll go with the process 2. You want to repeat again? I would like to explain you once again. Thank you very much for your listening.